YouTube? What's going, guys? About Overtime King back in tape another video, man. Last video of the year, last car show of the year. Today we are back at it again with CCC, man. 12th one of the year I went to. I went to all of the ones this year, I think. It's really misty in the back. It's kind of raining a little bit. Like, it always rains on Saturday. It never rains on any other day. Only Saturday. I swear, look at the weather map, bro. But next Saturday it's not gonna rain because next Saturday is Cars and Coffee Morrisville, the first one of the year, man. And yeah, I will be dropping 2 videos today. The first video should already went live by the time y'all have seen this video. Hopefully a lot of cars still pull up, because the rain has stopped now and it's gonna start back again like around 1 o'clock, so shouldn't really affect the show too much. But yeah, I'll see you guys all whenever I get there, man. OGC3 48 pieces spider. Should be day. So this is where the SVJ ran to. Man, that's crazy, bro. This thing's insane. So I guess nobody bought it. It's too expensive. F8. Blue Corvette, no logo, right here. Oh snap, Huracan Evo is here. So good cars on the back, I guess. And the Aston Martin. A few GTRs over here. This guy came from South Carolina, I think. And this guy, probably from Charlotte. Yeah, I seen this BMW when I was coming in. Sound pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Once again, I do not know much about engine bay, sadly, because these cars are too like complicated now. But Dodge Neon. Stands pretty loud too. I think this is the one that was like at Cars and Coffee Morrisville, like kind of two-stepping or whatever. I think it's my friend's new car. The boy got a Fiat.
The blue one, right?
No. Oh well. Dang, bro. You stalled it.
And he just got that shit too.
That really sucks, bro. Sound good though. Hey, chill, car. Car's stuck out of nowhere, bro. What the hell? Oh, it's the GTRs. I forgot about those guys.
It's not done.
Yeah. Ew. Why you look out the window like that?
What the fuck?
love that sound. I just love it, dude. Yeah. And it's clean. Bruh.
There goes your spec, Emmanuel.
That's literally what's over there, bro. I need that car right there, bro.
Right.
Yeah.
See ya, bro. Drive safe. I hear him wasting it. I don't know what
Wait, zooming. I thought I was gonna come this way, oh well. Thank God these guys came back, bro. Damn, that shit too loud. And just like that, we're back from the car show, ladies and gentlemen. I know this lighting's kind of bad and stuck in my room, and I forgot to record the outro in the car, and I'm recording on my phone. But yeah, hope you guys all did enjoy the video. It was sort of not really that good because the cops were at the exit and we barely got any sins from the cars that were there, because like I said earlier, it was raining earlier, so that really scared, like, you know, half the people that are already gonna come to the car show away. So yeah, hope you guys all did enjoy the video anyways. The montage is dropped on the channel right now. But I just want to thank you guys all so much for all the support through the year, man. I started this year off with a few subs, and I ended it off with 6,000 subs. Mainly because YouTube shorts and stuff. Next year, we're going to crush it, man. Next year, we're going up in the score next year, man. New car. Lots of new things on the channel, man. Lots of content and stuff, man. Yeah, lots of different car shows we're going to be going to, too. I might maybe travel around places, go to different car shows and stuff. Yeah, I met some great people this year. I wasn't expecting the car community to be like this. I wasn't expecting to keep going along with this car content. But, you know, I was like, hey, I might as well do it. You know, I got cousins that own a few cars. You know, there's car shows around here, so I might as well just keep doing the content. I used to do gaming, if y'all didn't know. Yeah, I'm glad I met all the people I met this year, man. They're all amazing people. Y'all know who you are anyways. I don't have to tag you in the video, you know who you are. I'm editing the video in the background too, as y'all can see right there. I'm editing the video still. Hope y'all all did enjoy the video, and I will see you guys all next year with lots of better content, lots of new videos, lots of new everything, man. And once again, happy holidays, happy new year, and hope you guys all do have a good one. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.